Hi, Liam. Let me see your Halloween costume.
Wow.
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh.
You're a Dragonosaurus.
Yeah.
Hi, sweetie. Hey.
Hey, look at. Hey, Liam, come here.
Oh, you can't have the camera.
Liam,
Extreme close up.
Liam, come here to Grandpa.
Go show Grandpa.
Let's go see Grandpa.
Come here to
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Go show Grandpa.
Yeah, we gotta get the tail.
Go show Grandpa.
Come here to Grandpa. Here, Grandpa will pick you up. Here. Here, Liam. Grandpa will pick you up. Come here. Come here. Come on to Grandpa.
I wonder if I should take those elastics out of the
Come on to
bottom.
Grandpa.
Yeah, you could do that.
Make them longer.
Oh, he's going for a ride now, the dragon.
Wow.
Wow.
When he bends down, you can't see his face at all.
Oh, throw the ball. Oh, that's a good
Good
one.
throw.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa.
Boy, you're a fast dragon.
Oh, you monkey. She got it right in the air. Whoa. Whoa.
You're cute. Ball, yeah.
Here it goes. Oh. Here, Liam. Here's the ball. Uh-oh. Go throw it for him. Throw it.
Throw it, Liam. Throw it.
Throw it. Throw it. Oh. Oh. Are you chickening out, eh? Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah. Let's see if you can give us the ball. Okay. Here he goes. Throw him the ball.
Throw the ball, sweetie. Let's see your throwing arm. Good job.
That was good. Here, give me the ball to Grandpa. Oh, here you go. Throw the ball for him. We'll throw it.
Oh, good job.
Yay. Oh, please.
Right.